called plastic, which is now found everywhere. At the same time, it gave rise to the challenge of plastic pollution. Today, I am going to talk about one out of several ways we can tackle plastic pollution. Nature functions by building up and breaking down, but when it comes to plastic, this cycle comes to a halt. Plastic stays in the environment for centuries and kills the ecosystems. Recycling started as a simple solution to this. However, recycling rates in the world today are only about 12%. That means the rest of the plastic is either incinerated, goes to landfill, or in the worst case, leaking into the oceans. Why are the recycling rates so low? One common limitation is that recycling bins are often contaminated with food items, pizza box, or anything that is not supposed to go there. A contaminated recycling bin goes straight to the landfill. Think about it. One small mistake can spoil the efforts of everyone else who tried to recycle. Here, I come into the picture. I investigate how we can recycle even the contaminated plastics, taking some hints from nature itself. The heat of the sun and forces of the wind naturally break down our trash and absorb it into the ecosystems. I replicate the same process on a tiny scale in my lab and call it copyrolysis. If you zoom into plastics, you will see long chains of chemical structure. Copyrolysis uses heat and controlled atmosphere, just like nature does, to break down these long chains. But it does it in minutes instead of taking centuries. I also found that by tuning the process correctly, even the contaminated plastics can be converted into green and renewable chemical products. This is a good news. It means that we can recycle efficiently with a better technology without having to worry about the occasional mistakes. Finally, I would say that science is a double-edged sword. In our pursuit of happiness with scientific advancement, we must look back and make sure to clean up any mess that we might leave behind. Thank you.